Un dernier yon, je glisse gentiment.
Today we got well, I gotta do some work, some day job work, you know, my normal job. And then I got a speaker box to build. We're building a box for two Soundqubed hdc3 12's. The box is gonna be 3.9 cubic feet, tuned to around, I believe, 36 hertz, I wanna say. I'll give y'all more info on that. But I'll walk y'all through a little box building. Alright, so I just used this brand new DeWalt table saw, got all my cuts. This thing is very nice. That's my chop saw. And this is the box. It's going in a Dodge Charger. Two Soundqubed hdc3 12's. And I'm about to make it happen. That's my cut sheet. How I have the lumberyard to kind of make all my rough cuts. Makes it easier for when you're carrying it in the car. Yeah, looking good.
An hour worth of work.
Yo, what's going on? Yeah, these are my old Sundowns. I just got these in here to test them. You know, to test fit the box.
Peace!
Oh, that's gonna sound good. 3/4 inch birch, double baffled. Got a brace on the inside. The port is tuned at, I believe, 36 hertz, 37 hertz. Whatever the tuning is, the recommended tuning for Soundqubed hdc3s. I got it tuned at that. Of course, it has the correct port area. I use WinISD Pro to map out the box to see how it'll sound before I built it. To find my center, what I did, I showed y'all in the video before. Basically, I found my center line from here to here, which was a mark somewhere up in there, and then I transferred the markings here and here. Then all you have to do is take a square from there to there, from this corner to that corner. You have dead center, and then you take a, you know, your compass and make your circles, or you can make a compass. And I have a video on how to scribe a speaker hole. You could definitely check that out as well if you're ever wondering how to scribe a speaker hole perfect before you cut it out. Get your perfect circles. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm thinking about adding a couple of screws just because that's just how I roll. But I'm more than sure. I use 1.5 inch 16 gauge brad nails, not 18 but 16 gauge straight nails for my pass load, and I use a crap load of tight bond. Appreciate you watching, and stay tuned for more cardio goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I definitely had fun building it, and yeah, that's it.